Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do part 1 of packing with me for my trip to Austin / Samo for my birthday.
Yeah, come on, yeah.
In this video, we're gonna pack my foundation, my concealer, my blush, my highlighter, and then in part 2, we're gonna do my eyes, my brows, my lippies, my lip liners, matte lips, glosses, etc, etc, etc. So yeah, it's officially Aries season. My birthday's coming up, my 23rd birthday. I'm so excited. 23, what a time to be alive. Crazy. For my birthday, I'm going to Austin and Austin / Samo. I went to school at Texas State University. Eat them up. And all my friends are like back at school, so I decided to have my birthday in Austin, have a nice dinner, go to like a pool party and all these things. So I'm super excited about that. If you know me personally, I'm a procrastinator, so I like to pack in advance. So I'm not wearing any makeup for the next week and a half. So it's April 1st. Happy April Fool's Day. I like to pack ahead of time. I'll be there for 5 days, which is insane. I have a lot to pack, so let's get right into it. So first, I'm starting off with like my bases, like skin tints. So starting off strong, Denessa, She's Tea. I have to take this with me. No brainer. My Say Dewy Sun Glow. My Say Dewy Sun Glow is a must. I'm not flying, so I can pack more than 3 full ounces. I'm riding with my friend Alyssa. So excited. Gonna be vlogging also. That'll be in a YouTube video soon of my vlog for my birthday. So stay tuned for that. I'm really excited. Since it's gonna be my birthday weekend, I'm coming out with the high quality foundation. House Labs, babes. House Labs. Skin tints is done. Let's get into blush. I have way more. I have so much more. I have a whole bunch of blushes, so let's start with this one. Starting off strong. You'll know I love my mauve, like burgundy type of blushes, and this is in the shade Wine Night. It comes with a cream and powder blush. Super stoked. Definitely taking her. She's Tea. But then my goat Patrick Ta has like something similar. And this is the shade She's Wanted. Taking her too. I'm debating on taking my Rare Beauty blush. Yeah, taking her. I mean, you can't not pack a Rare Beauty blush. I'm sorry. That was pretty simple. So onto concealer. Me and concealer go together real bad. Starting off strong. This is the NARS Radiant Concealer. This is shade Caramel. Definitely taking her. Born This Way Too Faced Concealer. This is in the shade Butterscotch. I love a brightening concealer. You can never go wrong with it in the inner corners. My ABV Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer. This goes in my outer corners. This is very much tea. And I am shade 17. I'm not speaking to his existence. But if I get a blemish, my NARS Paw concealer. Now that concealer's finished, let's get onto cream bronzer. I only use one brand. Sorry, it's the Juvia's Place. I have this is the powder and this is the cream. I rarely use powder, so I usually do cream. So we're gonna go in with the cream. Well, that was easy. On to contour. I bought this myself, the Rare Beauty liquid contour, and then I got sent one. And then this is the Fenty Beauty contour. I swear by this. This is so tea. I have to take this. But I don't know because this is so dark. It's super dark. And then this one's like not as dark, but it's dark, if that makes any type of sense. So I think I'm gonna take the lighter shade Serene. Now that my contour is done, I'm going to get into setting sprays. You know, a little obsession with one size for travel, for half to half. I think I might save my travel one when I actually travel. So put her down. trying to see which one has more. This one has more. Yeah, I'm taking the one that has more. So we're taking the Until Dawn setting spray. I swear by this. This is the best setting spray on the market. But I got sent the new Huda Beauty setting spray and I want to take it with me, but I'm like, I don't want to take a chance on it right now. So I gotta, you know, test it out first before I take it with me. But I'm packing hella in advance right now, hella days in advance. So maybe if I test it out this week and then I can just add it in here if I like it. But for right now, the One Size setting spray, the matte finish setting spray by NYX. If you like a matte finish like me, this is tea. This lasts all night, so gotta take her. I'm sorry. Next, onto setting powders, press powders, etc. I have a problem. Ugh. My #1 all-time favorite setting powder right now is the Morphe in the shade Brightening Pink. Yeah, I don't do a lot of setting powder because sometimes it can become cakey. So if you don't want like that cakey look, dip it your, what is that thing called? What is that called? What is this? What is this called? I'm having like a blackout moment. What is this called? What is this called? Powder puff. Oh my gosh. Take your powder puff, dip it, and then dip the excess onto the back of your hand. So, and then apply. It just looks way cleaner that way. And then my One Size Brightening Pink. I have to take her. And then my Laura Mercier translucent powder is tea. She's really full right now. Next is highlighter. This is the Fenty Beauty highlighter, and this is the shade Rose Rave. And then my all-time favorite, the Benefit Cookie highlighter. This is actually blinding. I'm literally running out of space. I actually have legit no more room in here for anything. I'll have to get another bag for my lippies, lip liners, my brow stuff, and my eyeliners and things like that. So I'll make that in another video. Make sure you click that subscribe button so you never miss a video. And I will see y'all in part 2. Bye.
It's alright. Yeah.